Let's take a moment and discuss Elite, our system application. Elite stands for Eclipse Language Integrated Test Environment, and is typically sent to the customer on a CD. To install the CD, if you are given the standard ruggedized laptop or CPU, you would need to remove 3 caption screws on the side. You may or may not have a ruggedized laptop. Either way, take a moment and open your CD drive. Let the door fall, depress your button, and then install your CD. The CD comes with a standard wizard install, and you will notice that a display will pop up momentarily on your screen. The CD also has upon it PDFs of your operators and programmers manuals. As your application suite will auto boot when you first place the CD within the computer, select the Elite operating system.
Take the time to read through your license agreement or EULA and select the I accept the agreement and then select Next. The Elite files will default to program files on your C drive, Eclipse International Elite. It is recommended that you store the Elite software application in this location. If you have Elite install, it will again inform you that it already exists. Would you like to install to that folder anyway? Will be displayed. Select Yes. It will name the folder for you, Eclipse International. Select Next. And then you will have the option to create a desktop icon. Just simply place a check in the Create a Desktop Icon spot by selecting it with your mouse. Select Next to continue. Select Install, and the Elite application will be installed on your computer. This will take a few seconds.
Once you have completed and loaded your software, select Exit at the bottom of the screen. When you start Elite, a window opens which allows you to select the group of functions you need to perform. The choices are to run test programs, develop test programs, or perform administrator function. Select Run Program. The initial appearance of the Elite program window is shown on the screen. The area in the left part of the window, which displays a directory tree, is called the workspace. The Test Select tab is used to choose the test file you wish to run. The configuration file, as described in the Elite Programmer's Guide, determines which directory trees are displayed. Start a test by double-clicking on the file name for that test. A results window will open for the test and test execution will begin. Take note that your workspace menu is adjustable and may be moved on your screen. Ensure that you reseat your menu drop in the location that you are most comfortable with. The states of your program may be detected at the lower right-hand corner. Stimulus will be off or on, paused, holding, idled, or running. Some test programs will query the operator. A test may need confirmation before proceeding. Additional data for identification of the unit under test or information to determine the course of testing. Elite carries out those queries by displaying a pop-up window that displays the appropriate query. The Go To tab provides the capability to execute subsets of a test program. The execution options are defined when the test program is written. The Go To options may only be selected when the test program is paused. A test program that uses this capability would typically pause to allow the operator to select the appropriate option. The test results window is a read-only view of a log file. The test results window displays test file identification, start and end times, echoes of queries and responses, and measurement failures. A specific test may display additional information in the test results window. A new file is created each time a test is run. The log file may be saved or printed using the options available on the File menu or using the Save or Print buttons on the toolbar. When no failures are found, the test results are very brief. Elite reports the test file name, the start time of the test, and that the test has completed. Here's an example of a test program that passed in the results log. The test requires more attention when failures are reported. For further information on parameter tags or switching codes, refer to your Elite Operator's Guide or your Elite Programmer's Manual. The watch window displays the results of the current or last completed measurement. This information is updated as Elite is executing a test. The watch window displays the test points, the type of measurement, maximum and minimum values, test results, and current stimulus status. Continuous display of the measured value is likely to increase the time required to complete a test. The watch window may be enlarged so that it can be viewed from some distance away from the computer monitor. Use the oversized window button to enlarge the window, and the standard window button to reduce it to its normal size. Select Close or F2 to close the status watch window. The DMM option allows you to use the Eclipse tester to make simple point-to-point diagnostic measurements while the tester and the UUT are connected. Choose DMM from the Tools menu or Multimeter in older versions, or simply press the DMM toolbar option or press F4 function key to open the DMM window. Elite must be in idle or pause state to use the DMM. The DMM window is shown below. Select the address that you wish to use or refdes and from. Then type in the refdes that you are going to and select to. Ensure that you select the On button to turn on your virtual DMM. The DMM is part of your analyzer measurement bus. Select DC for DC measurement, select AC for AC measurement, select Ohm for resistance measurements, and capacitance for capacitance measurements. To abort a program, simply go to the Abort button on the toolbar. That is the far right button. Select it. You will get a notice the operator stopped, encountered, program aborted. Another useful button on your toolbar is the Help button. The Help button will bring the Elite Help up on your window, which has 4 tabs. Contents, which displays any of the manuals that have been loaded onto your CD, to include the Elite Operator's Guide and the Elite Programmer's Manual. Index, which gives you a searchable index. Search, which allows you to type in a query to search for a specific topic, and select List Topics. All of the topics searched through the manuals will be displayed. Select the one that you wish to see. Double-click, and the item that you wish to learn more about is displayed in your results log of the Elite Help. You may also create a favorites list if you desire. Oh, and by the way, let me take a moment and remind you that the Elite Operator's Guide and Programmer's Manual are on the CD and PDF form when you receive it. It's also located in the Elite Application Suite under the Help menu. We've showed you that earlier. Just want to make sure you understood that.